Environmentalists claim Palawan in the Philippines is in danger of losing its UNESCO World Heritage rating because the government plans to build a coal power plant in the region. Jofel Tesorio reports.
During a recent rally, more than 1,000 people watched a video about the hazards of having a coal plant in your backyard. Marlene Hagmis is one of the organizers of the protest.
Ayaw na ayaw namin, kaya nga hanggang dito sa Puerto Princesa nais namin ipahayag sa mga kababayan natin dito at sa buong Palawan na ayaw namin talaga sa coal plant na ito.
Kalikasan po ay isang napakaliit na porsyento lang. Isipin natin ang kapakanan at kinabukasan ng Palawan.
The proposed power plant in Palawan is a project of the new elected Governor Jose Alvarez. It's set to be built in a sleepy town of Aborlan that has around 25,000 people. The local government argues that it's essential for economic development.
Ang Palawan ay naiwan na ng ibang region. Kahit na sa Mimaropa region, though ang Palawan is the biggest among the provinces of the region. Ang power ay malaki ang kinalaman sa development. Yung mga gustong maglagay ng investments sa isang lugar, tatanong agad what about the power supply?
The power plant will generate 15 megawatts of energy that supporters say will power up to 18 towns. The power plant was rejected by one town, but the Aborlan's council approved it. Opposition groups say the governor put intense pressure on the local government and the environmental council to approve the project, something the authorities deny.
Hindi totoo. Before he became the chairman of the council or the governor of the province, may approval na ng CST.
The entire Palawan province holds the status of UNESCO Man and Biosphere Reserve and it's home to 2 UNESCO Natural Heritage Sites. The environmental group Worldwide Fund for Nature says Palawan may lose its status if the coal power plant is built.
When we say man and biosphere, we're talking about how human being consciously use its biosphere for its own benefit, or we fail to have that to meet that criteria, then we might be delisted. Having a coal power plant may be a reason bakit po tayo ma-delist.
The proposed site for the coal plant is near a fish sanctuary, and fishing is a major source of livelihood in the area. Environmentalists say alternative energy, or RE, should be explored.
A 1 megawatt requirement only requires you 2.5 hectares of solar farm. 1 megawatt. How much megawatt do you need in Palawan? There are new technology in terms of solar also. Na it can provide electricity even without sun for 7 days.
The company that will build the coal plant in the town of Aborlan says they're open to the idea of mixing coal and biomass as fuel in a few years' time. They are also studying possibilities of using renewable energy for their next projects. The government spokesperson Hila Costa says that renewable energy is on the agenda, but claims that for now, it's not good enough.
Yung renewable energy ay tinitingnan din, matagal na pinag-uusapan yan in Palawan. 10 taon at wala, napag-uusapan lang. Planning stage, hanggang dumating itong proponent. Sabi rin mga resources dito, yung ating mga ilog, malalaki naman, di ba? Yung wind, hindi rin sapat
But residents like Marlene Hagmis don't want to take the risk.
Maraming pwedeng mangyari kagaya ng pagkakaroon ng sakit sa lungs, pagkakaroon ng sakit sa utak ng mga kabataan.
UNESCO is currently reassessing Palawan's special status, which it got in 1990. The plan to build a coal plant might threaten the province's title. With Ariel Carlos from Palawan, Philippines, this is Jofel Tesorio for Asia Calling.